is there any evidence of unignited thermite in the World Trade Center dust? Yeah, a team of 8 international scientists led by Niels Harrit in Copenhagen reviewed 7 independently collected samples, and they found what? That they were dual layered red-gray chips, and here we go. They are attracted by a magnet about a 1/16 of an inch long. Interestingly, unlike paint chips, which they looked like, they thought they were paint because they're dual layered. So they were obviously applied as a fluid. But unlike primer paint, which is not attracted to a magnet, this stuff has an extremely high iron content. So they get real curious and they do X-ray energy dispersive spectroscopy and find high aluminum and iron, the ingredients of thermite. What are the ingredients of thermite doing in all of these paint chips?
Security and counterterrorism was blinking red, in the words of George Tenet, that the warnings of an imminent attack were so severe that something dramatic should have been done. It was unparalleled. Instead, our president went on a month-long vacation.
How many people know that on the morning of 9/11, a lady looked out of her apartment in New Jersey, looking over to the burning tower, the first one, and saw 5 Middle Eastern-looking men filming it, high-fiving and cheering? She took them to be Arabic. She called the police. The police eventually tracked them down. They had traveling around in a white van. They were Israelis. They became known as the Dancing Israelis. They were arrested and kept in custody for 71 days until the ultra-Zionist head of the criminal division of the Justice Department, Michael Chertoff, released them. And how many people know that the same Michael Chertoff released the 200 arrested in the spy ring? And they went back to Israel. These 5 dancing Israelis, 2 of which were known by the police to be Mossad agents, said that they were there to document the event. Well, hold on, how did you know it was going to happen?
This is very important stuff because it speaks to the premeditation of this horrible false flag. And just before anyone wants to jump down our throats for being